Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and safe. Students, first chapter from your syllabus is planning in sports. Under this, we have to study so many subtopics like meaning and objective of planning, various types of committees and their responsibilities, various types of tournaments, procedure to draw fixtures, intramural and extramural, specific sports programs. First one is meaning of planning. In layman language, I can say that students, planning means what to do and how to do. हमें क्या करना है and कैसे करना है. But in physical education, planning is a process to develop strategy to achieve specific or desired goal. To make you people understand, I just quoted an example how to conduct farewell party for class 12th. As you all already had conducted the farewell party last year for class 12th. So again, if we asked to conduct the farewell party for class 12, what type of duties, what type of planning, what type of strategy we have to make well in advance? Like number one, stage comparing committee, then who will perform cultural items, stage decoration, arrangement of sounds, tents, seating arrangement, refreshment and closing ceremony. So these types of planning we have to make well in advance so that our competition, our program ends with great success. In physical education, just similarly like a farewell party, in physical education, let's take an example of how to organize annual sports day of KVNLT. Under this, we have to distribute so many types of responsibility well in advance so that our annual sports day ends with great success. Like again, stage comparing committee, stage decoration, likewise who will be the chief guest, what will be the budget of the program, prize distribution committee, march past committee, sitting committee, like arrangement of grounds and equipments, and at the end closing ceremony committee. So this type of strategy which we have to make well in advance is called planning. After this, the next one is objectives of planning. The first objective of planning is to reduce confusion and stress. To reduce or remove confusion and stress, proper planning is always very much helpful in reduction of confusion and stress. Proper planning will tell us the clarity about the program and what is the aim of the program. The next one is to make proper coordination. Proper planning tells us how to make proper coordination among the various members of different committees formed for organizing a particular sports competition. The next one is wastage of time. Students, if there is proper planning or everything is planned well in advance, so what to do, it prevents wastage of time. The next one is to arrange resources. Good planning tells us how to arrange resources from near surrounding areas. Like if we need to purchase any equipment for the competition, if we don't have grounds, then we have to look nearby resources. Like KVNLT, you all know, don't have a 400-meter standard track. Or for annual sports day athletic events, we need a proper 400-meter track. So for that, what we will do? We will go in surroundings and look for another option. Like in nearby NLT, Dhalyara Government College, DAV School. तो हम लोग उसमें देखेंगे कि Dhalyara College या DAV School where the track is available, हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करके या तो विदाउट कॉस्ट और या रेंट पे उसको हाइड करके वी कैन ऑर्गेनाइज अवर एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे. नेक्स्ट वन इज टू फॉर्म वेरियस कमिटीज. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट for organizing and sports event or any kind of event. If we committed various type, if we formed various type of committees well in advance, so there will be less confusion and stress, there will be proper coordination, less wastage of time, like these. To enhance sports performance, if any player he or she wants to enhance his sports performances, then he or she need a well trained training or well planned training program to achieve enhancement in his or her performance. The next topic is committees. To organize any kind of sports event or any kind of mega event, we need three type of basic committees: pre-meet committee, during meet committees and post meet committees. Under pre-meet committees, first one is publicity work, second one is arrangement of grounds and equipments, accommodation committees, reception committees, transport committees, medical committees and organizing committees. These types of committees we have to make well in advance, so that our programs at the time of our competition there will be no chaos. The next is during meet committees. These type of committees, ये वो कमेटी हैं जिनकी ज़रूरत हमें ड्यूरिंग द मीट, ये जब हमारा कंपटीशन रनिंग में होता है उस टाइम पे पड़ती है. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज टेक्निकल कमिटीज़, सेकंड वन इज ऑफिशियल प्राइज कमिटीज़ एंड द लास्ट वन इज क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी कमिटीज़. इन कमिटीज़ की ज़रूरत हमें जब हमारा प्रोग्राम ओपनिंग सेरेमनी के बाद एक कंटिन्यूसली मोशन में आ जाता है उस टाइम ज़रूरत पड़ती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज पोस्ट मीट कमिटीज़. अंडर दिस द फर्स्ट वन इज कीपिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स. मीट खत्म होने के बाद उसके जो भी रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं वो हमें एक वेल प्लान्ड मैनर में, एक वेल प्लान्ड वे में रिकॉर्ड करके अपने पास रखने होते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स. आपकी मीट पे जितना भी खर्चा आया है, मीट क्लोज होने के बाद क्लियरेंस ऑफ बिल्स, पेमेंट्स, ये सब फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट देखता है. थैंक यू एवरीवन. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. मैं एक बार फिर कह रहा हूँ, बी सेफ, ईट हेल्दी फूड, ड्रिंक्स लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर. एज यू ऑल नो, समर सीजन इज गोइंग ऑन, तो टेक प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. थैंक यू.